Hi everyone, my name is Jesper De Jong and welcome to my course Spring Integration Getting Started. I am an independent software developer with many years of experience designing and building enterprise software systems in Java with Spring. In almost all software projects, you're going to have to make your software connect to other systems. Often this involves writing lots of plumbing code, which is code that's not about the real business logic of your application, and that takes a lot of time to write and maintain. In this course we're going to dive into Spring Integration, which has lots of ready-made components for connecting to different systems without the need to write a lot of plumbing code. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include enterprise integration patterns, which are the design patterns that Spring Integration is based upon. Using asynchronous messaging to connect components within your application as well as different applications. Point-to-point messaging and publish-subscribe messaging. And ways to handle errors in your Spring Integration application. By the end of this course you will have a solid understanding of Spring Integration and enterprise integration patterns, and you'll be ready to use Spring Integration in your own work. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basics of the Spring framework. From here you should feel comfortable diving deeper into Spring Integration with the other courses in the Spring Integration learning path. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Spring Integration with the Spring Integration Getting Started course at Pluralsight.